Oyangore ni japuonjre manoyudi ka onegi e mbalariany ma multimedia Sylvia Kemunto ne odee kendo nogoyo bindi mowito ngimane. Maindo oyangi gi jotim bero manotayo chenrono e kar kano ringre ma Montezuma e boma ma Nairobi kaendi e kinde ma familia to singo keto bura motegno ahinya ne mbalarianyno kuom rem chiwo arita mowinjore ne japuonjreno.
What we found that Sylvia had multiple injuries which were caused by blunt objects. There were injuries on the head and on the limbs, upper and lower limbs. Apart from that, there were also evidence of strangulation. We saw injuries to the neck, which you see in people who have been strangled. She also had what is called cyanosis, someone who was not having oxygen at the time of death. So with this, we conclude that what led to the death of the late Sylvia was strangulation on top of multiple blunt injuries.
We are satisfied with the report. Whatever they have given, that was our suspicion, and we are satisfied with the results that we've gotten.
Where was the school administration? Where were the school guards on that material night when this struggle was going on?
This happened during the day, not at night. Nobody saw when all these things were being done.
Migawo mar thieth oyango muoch mar tuo